Hello, welcome to eTeacher. Today in this video I'm going to talk about Scratch programming language. To introduce the topic, I would say Scratch is basically a free programming language and online community where you can actually create your own interactive stories, games, and you can upload them online and you can able to get the feedbacks and likes from the community. So it will actually help you in improving your logical thinking. So if you're a student, I would highly recommend this Scratch programming language because it is actually very easy to use. And if you're a parent or a teacher, this would be a great tool for you to introduce programming to your kids. So without any further wait, let me introduce how we can actually use it. So this is a website that you need to go, scratch.mit.edu. I've given this URL in the description box so you can use it. So when you go to this, actually Scratch gives you two modes that either you can use it online or offline. So if you want to use it online, you can click on this create tab which you can see next to Scratch, or you can also download it. I'm going to give you the link as well as in the description box so you can use it to download the software. It is actually free of cost, so you will not find any big difference between online and offline editor because they are more or less same. But if you're going to be connected to the internet and if you think that you will be often upload the program online, then you can use it online, or otherwise you can go for offline without any issues. So I'm going to show you how the screen will look like when you're using it here. So this is how the Scratch window will look like. So in the upcoming video, I'm going to talk more about Scratch, that how you can actually use it to improve your programming skills as a beginner. Thank you. So please do follow, subscribe.